Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, December 5. Jamaica is to have its second modern cancer care center in the public health sector opened early in the new year.
By the end of next quarter, the second linear accelerator will open at the St. Joseph's facility in Kingston. So we will now have two such facilities.
The health minister made the announcement at the recent opening of the first state-of-the-art cancer care facility at the Cornwall Regional Hospital. The state-of-the-art linear accelerator LINAC machine is a key feature in the program to replace old, less efficient treatment methods for cancer.
It means, therefore, again, that we can have greater access to a modern facility, greater access to treatment and better treatment, and will improve the chances of recovery for persons who are affected.
Minister Tufton says that with the two facilities in place, Jamaica can also provide treatment services to persons from other countries in the region. In the meantime, all hospitals across the island should start seeing a transformation in records management in the coming fiscal year. Dr. Tufton says the ministry is in possession of a report on a pilot study conducted by the Pan American Health Organization, PAHO. He says the ministry is looking to operationalize the study's findings by having computerized health information systems expanded to all hospitals.
And next financial year, we're moving forward, as the University of the West Indies has done, in developing or commencing this process to develop a health information system in all our hospitals across the country. This will have significant implications for managing patient files and for a more efficient administration of public health.
And in other health news, the Portfolio Minister is urging research and public health officials to disseminate and apply research data to influence healthcare delivery and the well-being of the population.
It just makes logical sense that if we are going to drive policy decisions, strategic or operational decisions, that it must be informed by what happens and the evidence, the data that exists around us.
Dr. Tufton was addressing the 8th staging of the Ministry of Health's 2017 National Health Research two-day conference held at the Jamaica Conference Center. It was held under the theme Exercising Mind and Body, Supportive Environments for Healthy Living. Over 100 scholarships are now available for student teachers to pursue undergraduate and graduate programs at the BAU International University in Washington, D.C. for a 3-year period. This was made possible by a Memorandum of Understanding signed between the Ministry of Education and BAU, valued at $3 million. 200 Jamaican English language teachers are expected to benefit from employment at the university's network of schools, located in the United States and several other countries, for the 2018-19 academic year. Education Minister Senator Ruel Reid says the partnership will not only create opportunities for Jamaican teachers and students, but it will also promote edutourism.
Through this initiative, trying to internationalize our education system, promoting what we call edutourism. We certainly, as we go abroad to study, we certainly want Jamaicans in the diaspora and nationalities across the world to come and study in Jamaica.
BAU International University is a private, non-profit tertiary institution that offers undergraduate and graduate programs in economics, international affairs, entrepreneurship, global affairs, and international law. And finally, the National Environment and Planning Agency has launched a compliance drive for business operators conducting operations with the required NRCA NEPA-issued permits and licenses. The drive commenced on December 1 and will continue through the month. Non-compliant business operators are warned that once the compliance drive has expired, court action will be taken against guilty parties. Under the NRCA NEPA compliance drive, business operators are encouraged to move swiftly to apply for 2016-17 beach licenses and all relevant instruments to ensure compliance with the environment and planning laws. Business operators and developers are also being encouraged to collect permits and licenses that have been approved by the NRCA. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.